And the person that brought the station just no, the engine is the engine just. So the person that snatched it just came out of it before he did 2 weeks. Before he now came back like just punch you. So who are trying, I said, arrest you, talk about presently lost second. And this is the vehicle that I told you that it's more than 75 million in value. And it was intercepted by our police detective that believed to have started stealing outside this thing. Record show that it was stolen from abroad. And for more than 2 months now, those who claim because it was intercepted in the process of the person has told the trying to sell it. The vehicle is run over 75 million, but also intend to sell it for less than 60 million. And that is how we quickly move. Accept that, yes. So is you just So these are locally used places for porting. Then this is the one chance. This the last vehicle there. The vehicle that is last. They are actually they used to eat their victims and that is the everybody told you as a woman. Women you see our face is so innocent that why do you go to the use also when they are on their victim. We watch something. Right, where do we want to be? It's all the another evolution. Technically, it's one of the go and they get all of them building their injuries. And they work with this on it. Technically, this is recovered from them. Another thing this another okay, this is more fun. Then this is toy. I saw further I need by the Beretta. We have a laptop here that's being used for fraudulent activities. I told you about people that get $500 million for suspected people. And if you had another options on these are options. Then we have these tablets. Apple. This is only a laptop. All is really used for insurance and this is an English picture, which are the edge. They have edge on both sides, so that you have the ability to play. Then these are the one that they are using to deceive themselves. And so once you wear the suit as you and it's like gold stuff. You want me to touch it? So these are equally used as an instrument of breaking at night time. So this one was yes. I want to go further to let you know that this started tactics we were put in place and implemented to turn something that is as what this is also done like fear of trying to have fully fucking personal, but the better way they have fear of fancy was before the detail. Let me once again, especially after shades of the general of this title for providing the legal state police of state of the last time on rights and fitness, technology, and other leading to this success story. It is also possible to navigate underscore the continuous logistics and day-to-day operations of the provided by the Lagos State Police Command. To the Lagos State Police Command by 100 minutes from Lagos of Lagos State. So this vision of this of the state and other was and equally assisted us to further review our response to crime criminality in the state, which is just to around 5. Furthermore, I wish to happily appreciate our comment all competent individuals and all negotiators generally. I can I am a wish to encourage and continue the trust that the people have and equally the capacity for this particular people should not trust in the state where during this period under reviews 68 vicious and material criminal suspect various crimes, including suspected murders, some outright murder, previous armed robbery, cultism, unlawful possession of firearms and ammunition, and those of advanced speech was those who are engaged and narrated will be moving out of the face. We are far into understand. For these cases, I want to underscore that we have recovered 4 vehicles that are being used by the member of the other owners to carry out local court in one which and 2 of them they have waited to change and what we have actually. We equally recover a Mercedes-Benz E350, which is on the I did among the other things that we recover, which are equipment that 17 assorted different for-handed firearms, comprising ranging space to Toyota Camry. We always talk about AK-47. People frequently a weapon, AK-47, which is more higher in capacity and obviously that we get before this. One of the among those things that recover are several secondary sparks, but painting. Then that's the sort of later on other incriminating items which we are going to get with an increase for because you get a go about the table. So if you permit me, I want to go into those vehicles here. They go to that part again. There are 4 the other one is that the first vehicle is a Toyota Camry on July 12th, 2025, and at about those 7:00 acting on credible pretended operative of the command apprehended one fellow Aminu, age 36 years, who is an ex-conference that just been freed from prison. He engaged himself in another crime, vicious crime, capital offences, and the snatch Toyota Camry, which you are seeing in short the program. The property for sale. Like I told you, we have strategies and tactics and structure that we prevent crime before the perpetrator. We call it strategy in place for prompt attention of this kind of hidden identity. We intercepted and the third was currently we won't stop at that. Make sure that we arrest all the other suspects and support this bringing after. This Lexus is a Lexus IG, the Lexus Hybrid 2021 model, which is valued by above 7.5 million. This was intercepted by detectives when because that snatch not from this outside the land, purchased from the state. So intercepted, and for about 2 months now, he has not released any particular either import papers. And the vehicle now probably the first by the shop totally outside the shop. I also have in Suzuki, that's Suzuki minibus. It's one of the occasional vehicles of one channel social. But because we still have a restriction of displaying of operating before software involved, we have brought them up. These are people with a deep people or guys who are being driver. Yes, yeah. We equally done a lot of strategic development to ensure that early has involved and made people of this. The other one that's still coming for me to value before me is another very operational very one time set also this people arrested in the capital they macheted young woman we call him macheted is business one also taking the for several and who arrested all the other correctly. In this case, for that investigation to that, we feel others who are participating, including a woman suspect, who is a member of we enter a vehicle, whether a minibus or any other vehicle, you see, my likely go at rest. Not very, she's a member. So this 5-man presentation. This is just to show you a little of what we cover accomplishing. These cases are mentioned about 6 to 7 number, but we have close to 28 successes that we can fight to ensure that the net and breadth of the shot is secure for every member. Mind you, there are a lot of government investments. The federal and which is different than and equally in a person of local international investors that want to ensure you protect both the investors, not personally, and equally they get a blessing, including their this and all in the story. So we move to the last suspect and continue I want to tell you that I want to leave the show that the intent afraid to do what is said. The current situation in Lagos is not aligning. Is firmly under the control of Lagos to sustain this consumer. We thereby call on working in the negotiation general abuse which has continue to not only support the release, but give respect to an forms of the guys. This responding before going to other cases, I want to say these are the first opportunity I have in the media to review the security strategy conducted during the last July 12 local government election was held throughout Lagos State in the 20 local government area with 37 outside the pre-election because was fully implemented and we don't have any skeptics and we don't have any life and what happened. Activities people was to treat all of that. The election, pre-election period of campaign, period nomination and period on this right as well. The election from 28 and take time of what's for deploy additional 10,000 buses command. This 10,000 comprises of the Shida police deployed to before 10% energy and additional personnel comprising BMF, the city, SB. So on the election day, explosive which fire anywhere to arrest. That we say the deployment was ended and the deployment massive deployment is involved as people who are confident them and even at the collection center with the 10 years to so the road construction any level he commended Mr. Governor of the state for the rules and the wonderful support accorded and the period of the post-election was will not be thrown at the beginning of voting, like qualifying results. At times, announcements of winner, people might want to tell us they dominated everywhere to make sure that one could show force necessary that were on way from the first year throughout the next year. So we are able to have effective about the securities even after March. The story is of those who have won, have been done, and they are taking from the election to the widest security throughout this plan. I want to let you know that we still continue to repeat this feat in any other area of the state need to service secretary. So, 120%, they're doing that. I appreciate that in a great thing. As the support and the confidence and the trust that we start governing is that why we are because that was the lesson we have to ask the neighbor state to stop this so I will go further into other successes in the times. We have suspects here that were parading before this are arrested for armed robbery. In the process of the robbery, they took somebody to that way. This is outside not one chance. On July 13, 2025, at about 18:35 hours, a man I will be present from Gaba. The protester for no person have taken someone of them. Within 8 years. And in the process, 2 million naira for conversation are cut again. This answers two back one I've work. Based on this report, the 35 things from the tactical support. So I'm going to have some 20-50 years John Levan, where you rescued from this armed robbery behind. And this operation led to the arrest to follow suspect, namely Francis Gates, the field of Gates, 22 years, Rosia Joshua, age 26 years, and David at that age 16, and more about area as they have confessed to the type and the education in the post should be we only have here arrest of the armed robbery suspect that were impersonating the security of the state. On July 2025, detectives attached to the command and to kidnapping and like I told the media that we are breaking all forms of crimes and organizations. But that is not enough. We equally put the active measure to ensure that we sustain this achievement. That is why the assumption of this we are quite familiar that those who have just spitted and the stretch at it, and we have more and equally how the this is how the DBS work it's a terrible this having in town to strengthen the capacity. So I equally brought on board the creation of anti-cultism to team. Every area who are listening, we are working so this suspect was traced to the area of Lagos and you arrested 1 million cents very well ago, age for 4 years, Batumi Samson, age 48 years, Abubakar Ali, age 47 years, Adeze Van, age 25, Tepe Guzoma, age 2 years, Ikeja, at Bitfields Pipeline, or date for who have been involved in several armed robbery and hijacking of fuel tankers. Why must need for and loss to dress up during this branded and arrested for suspect. All the skill they things. We only have funny arrest of Syndicate over 500 million visa.
What happened now?
On July 16, 2015, following transfer of case from our contact division to the state CID. four suspects linked to a 500 million visa for sale. The suspects are Lesun Bosufu, age 37 years, Chinyere Christian, age 36, Achibon Ideme in Tefreke, male, age 23 years, Maureen Vitas, age 35. United Infiltration revealed that suspect who was staff of education consultants in Avo Okota fraudulently obtained the sum of 500 million naira from more than 100 victims under the false pretense of facilitating Canadian and Australian law visas. The suspects are already in police custody and the charge of more efforts made to testify to ensure that other members of the Syndicate are landed so that not be able to be seen what they are not something we do currently have one of our successes, arrest in fact thieves. Our visas, car to let me take that again. These are hard technical suspects by the level of information. On July 17, 2025, 10:15 hours, the joke area of state, Ogun State is not under administration, but we track this suspect because Ogun and Lagos two conflict to each other. Most of the time when suspect public land, they ran because not able to. Most time when we cross into the recognition activities to the permission of the list, so principal who is the leader of the specialized is tipping by deceiving owners into employing them. This guy recruited a lot of his chief viewers and the criminal why they were sent that house. Once they are employed, in the next 1 or 2 weeks, they took over your radio. Before you do it, I get to the 5,000. Don't only get it there. This vehicle was dismantled and dismembered in Ogun State. And I personally interviewed them and are telling me all like I want student, NG, all that. So the suspect for that led us to keep our diversity where under them one to five age 36 years. He later led the team to Ladipo, but it's their papa, where it has at the extent. So it's pay about to the investigation to this case is still on place now. The host of that for the child if you allow me, I would like to stop after here, which is the arrest of children one in cover of operational verb. On July 18, 2025, at about 14 operatives of Ikeja Division of Lagos, one of the state back to along and make it through Ikeja, intercepted the commercial minibus, popularly called open, following an alarm raised by a female passenger who was pushed out of the ambulance. Promptly, this was so big that 3 suspects have landed on the scene of this affair. You are identified as Kayode Egbetokun, significant Michael Shomimi, age 23 years, Olawale, age 13. On the search of the suspects, we recover one definite spark from the logbook to the victim. One acts, the acts we see is what they do to the origin and to compare them to surrounding and such provides 2 concrete along bricks. All of them are just these bricks are like a very big city from behind the then several heavy of stones and rocky bodies like we are investigating them further to know all other criminal conditions. Suspect. So we want to encourage members of the purposes who are being attacked in this so equal circumstance and to report and provide evidence for identification of this suspect for funds to make them while suspect so that from I think with this, the PR is sending me to go on. Talking now. Can I go on?
No, it's okay.
On the I think these are people that rob passenger before they come back. When they kiss on the on July 25th, about 4 hours, the team of police had asked to Ikeja division while of his ability to gather along his last night. My 12 kg arrested 2 suspects. These suspects are the one during the end of the hours of the day. This is long they were arrested to property belongs to. I think PRO, this is the last case. This has to do with arrest of property persecution. On August 1st, a few days ago, 2025, about 4 operative track and arrested one suspect. People one day now you have to go to Syndicate. Like I said, this is simply one of the investigations that to Lagos stuff. But the criminal now only for the job. But some of them can even stick in the state and come down to it. So a prime suspect would be robbed of one the book with a fleet now. Updates on, we all know Wasiu at one day and there's glorious show. He has the dog. We thank all of you for giving a massive coverage to Adelaide Report. You are going to coach on your own without us sending you. So we want to encourage you to do this. Let the people know that there's always a day that justice is charged with several other cases. Outside one. Actually, killing correctional books. We are very hopeful. No, I'm not talking about matter of this. We are very hopeful that we have a case that stand in terms of crime against vicious and serial several families, tens of families are on this case and show justice. We do our best so that people like this who are taking the point itself and this the software that came down there more than 90 people so the streets on there operating as a government officer. They are demanded at this serve at the point of deterrent. So you guys that we not have all this catch up. So we are going to apply the evidence of this matter and brought that the factor of the services. Thank you.
Another question. Who else has a question too?
So you see these are automatic ones. These are automatic. Then these are, you can see this. These are terrible issues that we use to drive at these are locally made. fabricated, what do you call it? Revolver firearms. So these are equally supportive weapons because one or two of them will carry this, one will carry this. So these are the one chance people around Surulere. This is the vehicle recover safety to the vehicle. Empty your. You cannot have money to use them. They have to hold your relative. So you have to be willing. Then these are these are of the group that are very vicious. Those are the stone people and the target and the knife people that I show you earlier. A woman was injured and pushed down, and a lot of money was taken for dog catches up. They macheted one of their victims and subsequently the tree.
No, what are this?